the perfect portable solution for your smoke effects needs. Introducing the next generation of handheld fog machine, the Lensgo Smoke Bee. Equipped with unique accessories for diverse smoke effects, ideal for product and portrait photography, as well as film and television mist effects. The Lensgo Smoke Bee is a powerful tool for any visual creator. It's portable, versatile, and built to last. In the world of entertainment, special effects are key to creating an unforgettable experience. Whether you're hosting a party, staging a theatrical performance, or producing a film, achieving the right atmosphere is crucial. The Lensgo handheld fog machine Smoke Bee is designed to elevate your event to the next level with its impressive smoke-generating capabilities. Compact, portable, and user-friendly, this smoke machine is a must-have for any aspiring event planner or creative professional. Powerful performance in the palm of your hand. Despite its small stature, the Lensgo handheld fog machine packs a powerful punch. Engineered to emit a thick, voluminous fog, it can dramatically enhance the ambiance of any setting. Thanks to its advanced atomization technology, this machine quickly fills spaces with a dense mist that lingers, creating the perfect backdrop for light shows, haunted houses, photo shoots, or any setting that requires an eerie or atmospheric touch. Portable and convenient. One of the standout features of the Lensgo handheld fog machine Smoke Bee is its portability. Weighing in at just under a kilogram, it's designed to be easily carried with you wherever you go. Its compact size means it can be tucked away in a small bag or box ready for deployment at a moment's notice. This makes it ideal for mobile DJ setups, outdoor events, or situations where space is at a premium. Easy operation with remote control. Ease of use is a major consideration in the design of the Lensgo fog machine. With its intuitive controls, even those unfamiliar with fog machines can operate it effortlessly. The included remote control allows for wireless operation, giving you the freedom to control the fog output from a distance. Whether you're in the midst of a performance, or you need to trigger fog at the perfect moment, or simply want to adjust the settings without leaving your DJ booth, the remote control makes it possible. Fast warm-up time and efficient use. Time is of the essence in any event, and the Lensgo handheld fog machine doesn't disappoint with its fast warm-up time. It's ready to produce fog in just a couple of minutes after being powered on, ensuring that you're never left waiting. Additionally, the machine is designed to be efficient in its use of fog fluid, providing extended operation from a single fill. This means more fog with less downtime, allowing you to focus on the event itself rather than maintenance. High-quality build and safety features. Constructed from durable materials, the Lensgo handheld fog machine is built to withstand the rigors of regular use. Safety is also a priority, with features such as an automatic shutoff mechanism to prevent overheating and ensure safe operation. This attention to safety and durability means you can trust the Lensgo fog machine to perform reliably time after time. Versatility for various applications. The Lensgo handheld fog machine Smoke Bee is versatile enough to suit a range of applications. It's also perfect for nightclubs, concerts, weddings, and other large gatherings where creating an engaging and immersive environment is key. Visit www.lensgo.net for more amazing products and accessories to revolutionize your production quality. Here are some similar items and accessories you might find in addition to the Lensgo handheld fog machine Smoke Bee. Accessories and consumables include mist fan, fog machine fluid, liquid smoke filter, hard straight tube, silicone tube, hard bent tube, infrared remote, nozzle, charging cable, and oil tanks. In conclusion, the Lensgo handheld fog machine Smoke Bee is a highly versatile, portable, and efficient device that delivers professional-grade fog effects. Easy to use, and equipped with convenient features like remote control functionality, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to add a foggy touch to their events and productions. With the Lensgo Smoke Bee handheld fog machine in your arsenal, the only limit is your imagination. Lensgo. Thanks for tuning in to PHRsharp. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our sharp insights and tips. Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay sharp and explore more.